A smartphone feature everybody should be aware of: emergency SOS. Imagine you're out running, you suddenly feel a bit ill, you collapse or faint, you're lying next to the road and you need emergency assistance. Well, if you've set up your phone correctly, that will go very far in helping you with your emergency. Let me show you how to set this up. You're lying next to the road, somebody comes to your aid and they want to get to your details. You unconscious, you can't give them any details, and then you try and enter the phone but it's locked, and then there's an emergency. You click on the emergency, you can dial, or you can go to the medical ID, and all the information is in there. If you want to edit or access your medical ID, you go to Settings, Emergency SOS, Edit Emergency Contact and Health. That's all your information, and if you want to edit, you go up there. And that's how you access to medical ID. And just about the emergency SOS and privacy. There's all the detail. Emergency SOS is designed to protect your information and enable you to choose what you share, and so on and so on. And there you go, emergency SOS. Not only for your own sake, but if you come across somebody that has an emergency, that's a way you can help them. Very important, I think. Everybody should know this. And once again, a bit of admin. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for further videos. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, laka laka.